In this problem, we have to find the transformed equation of x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square is equal to 2a square when the axes are rotated through an angle pi by 6. Pi by 6 means it is 30 degrees. Pi means 180. 180 by 6 is 30 degrees. So, we will write given original equation. Given equation is the original equation. We have to find out its transformed equation. So given original equation is x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square is equal to 2a square. Take it as equation number 1. Angle of rotation is given as angle of rotation theta is equal to pi by 6. Pi by 6 means it is 180 by 6, which is 30 degrees. So here we have to write the x and y value. X is equal to when we write its transformed equation, the value of x and y becomes x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Similarly, the coordinate of y is x dash cos theta, x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. Now we will substitute the angle. X is equal to, keep x dash as it is. Cos theta means it is cos pi by 6, 30 degrees, minus y dash sin pi by 6. Here also y is equal to x dash sin pi by 6 plus y dash cos pi by 6. So x is equal to x dash cos 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. Sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2. So, in place of cos 30 degrees, we will write root 3 by 2 minus y dash sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2. So, x is equal to root 3 into x dash minus y dash once are y dash by both the denominators are same 2. So, we are taking LCM. So, y is equal to x dash sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2 plus y dash cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. So the value of y is x dash by 2 plus root 3 y dash. This is root 3 y dash by 2. Now take LCM. X dash plus root 3 y dash whole divided by 2. Now we will substitute this x and y value in equation number 1. Substituting x and y values in equation 1. So our equation 1 is x square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square is equal to 2a square. X square means we will substitute root 3 x dash minus y dash by 2. Root 3 x dash minus y dash by 2 whole square plus 2 root 3, keep as it is. X value is root 3 x dash minus y dash by 2 and y value is, what is y value here? X dash plus 3 root 3 y dash. It is x dash plus root 3 y dash by 2 minus y square. Y square means same value we are writing, x dash plus root 3 y dash by 2 whole square is equal to 2a square. Keep as it is this term. Now a minus b whole square formula is applicable. So a square means root 3 x dash whole square minus 2ab. 2 a value is root 3 x dash, b value is y dash, plus y dash square. b square means it is y dash square whole divided by 2 2s are 4. This is our first term, expansion of first term, plus 2 root 3 keep as it is. Here we are multiplying these two bracket values. Root 3 x dash becomes x dash square, so it is root 3 x dash square, plus root 3 x dash root 3 y dash. This is root 3 x dash into root 3 y dash. Now minus x dash y dash, minus x dash into y dash, minus into plus minus. This is root 3 y dash becomes y dash square by 2 2s are 4. This is our second term. Now third term minus. Our third term is a plus b whole square formula we will apply. So it is x dash square plus 2. A means x dash, b means root 3 y dash, plus y dash square, root 3 y dash square. It is root 3 y dash whole square by 2 2s are 4 is equal to 2a square. So all the denominators are 4. So cross multiplying it becomes 8a square. Now when we open the bracket it becomes root 3 and square get cancelled. We get 3 x dash square. 3 x dash square. It is 2 root 3 x dash y dash minus 2 root 3 x dash y dash, and this is plus y dash square. Now open the bracket. Root 3 becomes 3. 3 2s are 6 plus 6 x dash square. Now root 3 is 3. 3 2s are 6 and again this root 3 becomes 6 root 3 plus 6 root 3 x dash y dash. Next term 2 root 3 x dash y dash, plus into minus, minus 2 root 3 x dash y dash. Next plus into minus, minus 2 root 3 is 3. 2 3s are 6 y dash square. 6 y dash square. The next term we are opening with negative sign. This is minus x dash square minus 2 root 3. Again it is x dash y dash minus 3 and square root of 3 and whole square get cancelled. It is 3 y dash square whole divided by 4 means cross multiplying we get it is equal to 8a square. Now we have to simplify these values. So we will write x dash square terms. First we will write x dash square terms. 3x dash square, first one, plus 6x dash square. Next we have minus x dash square. Now it is finished. Next we will take y dash square terms. This is y dash square. Next we have minus 6y dash square. After that we had minus 3 y dash square. Now x dash y dash terms, plus minus 2 root 3 x dash y dash. After that plus 6 root 3 x dash y dash. Again minus 2 root 3 x dash y dash. Next again we have minus 2 root 3 x dash y dash is equal to 8a square. Now 6 and 3 becomes 9. 9 minus 1, 8. So it is 8x dash square. 6y, 3y minus 9y plus 1y dash. So it becomes minus 8y dash square. Plus, now it is minus 2, minus 2, minus 2 becomes minus 6 times root 3 x dash y dash plus 6 times root 3 x dash y dash. It becomes 0 is equal to 8a square. So 8x dash square minus 8y dash square is equal to 8a square. We can take 8 common. X dash square minus y dash square is equal to 8a square. Cancel 8 from left and right side. The required answer x dash square minus y dash square is equal to a square. This is our transformed equation.